Mr. Berry,
Yes, Your Honor.
are we ready to call Kimberly Moore?
We are, Your Honor.
I like to reach out to people that only have one or two tickets first, because, I don't want to take people that's got 15, 20 tickets and put them before the ones that get the least. All right. Ms. Kimberly Moore, raise your right hand, state your full name.
Hi, I'm Kimberly Moore, Your
You
Honor.
swear or affirm to tell the truth.
Yes, sir.
You may lower your hand. Ms. Moore, you have ticket number SP 134674771. People versus Kimberly Kimberly Moore. Ms. Moore, you're charged with appearing without owner's permission. You also have SP 134674772. No insurance. Counsel.
Yes, Your Honor. Ms. Moore would avail herself of the offer to enter a plea to disorderly conduct. The no insurance charge should be this.
Ms. Moore, you said you never agreed to plead anything?
It was charged, was going into, I went to a house for someone to change my brakes.
Ms. Moore, stop. You can't give me all the factual stuff. I cannot hear that. It has to be done between you. Ma'am, stop talking if I'm talking. We both cannot talk at the same time. You're charged with entering without owner's permission, and you're charged with no insurance. Now, if that's not what happened, then that's fine. You can talk about that with the attorney, but you cannot talk about it with me. So you're muted now. I can't hear you at all.
That's what happened without disorderly.
Would you like to set the matter for trial, Ms. Moore?
Ms. Moore, I didn't say anything about disorderly. There's nothing on here that says you're charged with disorderly.
He did, the attorney.
Your Honor, the plea is to disorderly conduct.
Oh,
So it's being reduced.
Oh, that's a reduction.
A EWOP to disorderly conduct.
Yes, that's correct, Judge.
All right. Ma'am, what they were saying is that's a reduction in the charge that you have, the disorderly conduct. That's a reduced charge. So that's what they were saying. They're not saying that's what you did. Sometimes they do what we refer to as a legal fiction. They give you a lesser charge, even though that's not what you're charged with, to give you a better deal.
Okay, gotcha. I understand now. Okay, so that's a lesser charge?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then I will plead to that.
All right. Well, Ms. Moore, I swore you in. You understand that you have a constitutional right and absolute right not to go to trial at all. You understand that?
Yes.
I mean, to go to trial. I'm sorry, I said that wrong. To go to trial and challenge these matters. You understand that?
Yes, sir.
Ma'am, sometimes they will give you a lesser charge if you plead. You're actually pleading to the original charge, but the court is entering a lesser charge. You understand that?
Yes, sir.
Do you want to do that, or do you want to go to trial?
I'll just go for the lesser charge.
All right. You have to plead to the factual basis of the original charge, and the entry of the charge will be lesser. If in fact you're not guilty of the greater charge, ma'am, then I can't accept the plea from you. In other words, I can't accept a plea from a person that is innocent. You understand that?
I understand.
All right. So let's try this out. Ms. Moore, Madam Clerk, the date and time.
April 28th, 2022 at 12:15 p.m.
Okay, this one, because it is an entry charge, remember the location?
Location was St. Alban and Remington Street.
Okay, Ms. Moore, on the date of, what was that number?
April 28th, 2022.
Miss Moore, on the date of April the 21st, 2022, were you in the area of St. Aubin and Remington in the city of Detroit?
Yes, sir.
Did you enter a building, ma'am, without someone's permission?
Pardon me?
Did you enter a building without permission from someone?
Well, I was given permission to go in there. Yes. I
couldn't understand you. You said you did not. What was that? We're breaking up a little bit, so.
I knocked on the door and I was let in by my friend, a couple friends I have.
Okay. All right. It sounds like this is crowded. You did not enter without permission. So someone let you in. There's no crime there. So that means we're gonna have to have a trial, man. I'll tell you what we're gonna do. We're gonna let you go into a breakout room with an attorney. Attorney Harris, could you talk with Ms. Moore while I continue with the docket of Attorney Berry's cases? Attorney Harris, are you with us? All right, we'll come back to you, Ms. Moore. Just hold on.
So we're now dealing with Ms. Moore.
Okay, so she's ready. We can bring her out.
No, she's not ready.
Okay. You haven't talked to her?
I have not talked to her.
Okay.
Is Ms. Harris with us?
Are you talking about Ms. Kimberly Moore? You said you haven't talked.
Yeah.
Let me go back and talk to her again. Okay.
Okay. Well, let me put her back in the breakout room.
Ready as to Ms. Moore, Your Honor. Where is she?
Hopefully she'll be out in a few minutes. You didn't bring her out, Mr. Bailey.
I tell them to come out, and they don't come out.
Sometimes you gotta wait around to see do they come out before you.
Okay.
Now. Okay, let's see. I'm sure we were on that. All right. All right, Miss Moore, you're still sworn. Back on the record on SP 134674771, Ms. Kimberly Moore. Ms. Moore is charged with entering without owner's permission. Count 2 is SP 134674772. No insurance. Today's the date and time for a show cause, which I've indicated Ms. Moore is present today, so show cause is set aside. Counsel, Ms. Moore indicated earlier when we were taking the plea that individuals opened the door and let her in. These were individuals that she knew. So the offer was not going to, she was not going to be a factual basis with that because she was stating that what she did is something that is legal. So I'm not sure where we are at this time now.
Your Honor, made aware of her right to a jury trial, she seeks now a bench trial, and she would ask the court to appoint counsel to represent her.
Did you get all the information that we would need to pass on, counsel?
I must apologize, Your Honor, I did not.
We certainly can't appoint a counsel if we don't have information to send, so you can go.
Ms. Moore.
Yes.
I'm going to send you a chat message, and I need you to reply directly to me to that chat message, okay?
Okay.
What are we doing now on Miss Kimberly Moore? Did we get her information?
Yep, I have all the information.
All right. All right, Miss Moore.
Yes.
Just so I'm clear, ma'am, you want a trial. We're going to give you a trial date. You had an opportunity to talk with the attorney. You had an opportunity to discuss the different types of trial, a bench trial or a judge trial versus a jury trial. Is that correct, ma'am?
Not a jury trial, a trial in front of a judge.
Okay, so you don't want a jury trial. And I was just going through the process to make sure I was clear of which one you wanted. All right, we will give you a date. We will give you a trial date, ma'am.
Ms. Moore, really quick, what city?
Oh, shoot, I'm sorry. Utica, UTICA 48317.
Okay, I got it.
Sorry about that, sorry.
Oh, all right, ma'am. We're gonna send off the information. Madam Clerk, when we do a bench trial, is that enough time? Or do we need to give a date out a little bit further since we're having attorney appointed?
No, that should be enough time for the attorney to contact you, because I mean,
All right,
that's more than 30 days.
all right, Madam, Miss Kimberly Moore, we're gonna give you a trial date. Your trial date is gonna be October the 24th
Okay,
this year, 2003 at 9 a.m.
okay,
All right, you're gonna come out here at 9 a.m. If you have anybody who's a witness to your case, that means somebody who was present and observed what happened. Then you can have them come out here on that date at that time as well. You and they have to let me know that they are, that you have that you have witnesses, and the witnesses need to tell me when they come out there who they are. Because I'll be
Okay.
looking to see if anybody has a case on my docket when they show up in the courtroom. If they tell me they're a juror, we'll just put them in the room and we'll have them separate until we're ready to call your case. All right?
okay, great. I appreciate it. Thank you so
All right,
much.
Ms. Moore. So we'll see you again on October the 24th at 9 a.m.
And that's gonna be at the courthouse, right?
No, ma'am. You can come in on Zoom and your witnesses could come in on Zoom.
Okay, great. Thank you
All
so
right.
much.
All right.
Thank
Good
you.
luck to you, ma'am. We'll see you then.
Bye-bye, thank you.